In this quiz you have 12 questions all about how to use phrasal verbs. Each question has 2 sentences and you have to decide which one is right and which one is wrong. But be careful, in 4 of the questions both sentences are correct. Use the picture to help you guess the meaning of the verb. As usual, you have 5 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I'll give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the language and improve your pronunciation. After each question, there is a short grammar tip to help you improve your English. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go with number 1. The plane eventually took off. Number 2. So, both are correct. Take off your tie if you're hot. Take your tie off if you're hot. Number 3. The police are looking into a bank robbery. Number 4. So, both are correct. I need to look this word up in a dictionary. I need to look up this word in a dictionary. Number 5. The weather is looking up a little. Number 6. Oh no, we've run out of fuel. Number 7. Okay, I'll go over those points again. Number 8. Smoking is bad for you. Give it up. Number 9. You know my cat. Can you look after it while I'm away? Number 10. So Both are correct. John, I get on with him okay. John, I get on okay with him. Number 11. The sun's coming up. And finally, number 12. Both are correct. Did you manage to work out the answers? Did you manage to work the answers